Hello, it's David at Fine Line Classic Cars Wolverhampton. Just like to show you around this, what can only be described as a true survivor. It's a 1985 Transit Mk2 2-litre minibus. It's done just 22,000 miles from new. Quite remarkable. It was originally owned from new by a school that cared for hearing impaired children. It was Stow Heath Junior School in Wolverhampton. Incredibly well looked after. They even kept a little book, a handwritten book of all the journeys the car did. Quite incredible. So the condition, it's just very difficult to describe. Anybody who knows transits will know they rust for a hobby. You look round it, all the panels around the wheel arches, completely and utterly original. Along the doors, front wheel arches again. All the plastics around the front, all the trims are absolutely perfect. They normally get cracked, broken. It's just absolutely remarkable condition. And it carries on in the same vein on the interior. All the original cloth seats, not a bit of wear anywhere. There you go. 22,719 miles. All the original rubber floor matting. Even in the steps, they normally rust out in the steps. Absolutely remarkable. It's almost like looking inside a 2-year-old vehicle. Headline is all perfect. You sort of imagine children in it with sticky sweets and toffees and biscuits. It's really kept well. So it is a proper custom. So the custom came with the cloth seats, the bigger steering wheel, the dash mounted clock. It's got the original Ford push button radio in it, and the front spoiler was also standard on the custom, not on the standard Transit. It really is a rare find. It will be available on our website. It'll be priced at $27,995, along with a selection of other fine classic cars, which is Fine Line Classic Cars Wolverhampton. If you'd like any further details or to arrange an appointment to view the vehicle, please call myself David on 07787 573 255. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed looking at such a stunning machine.